Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can join two ends of RG-6 coaxial cables together without a connector, without using any connector like F connector, F to F connector. So I want to show you how you can join these two ends together in a proper way so that the negative and the positive terminals will not touch each other. If they do touch each other, it can result in the burning of your decoder or making your decoder to be shocking you anytime you are touching it. So the cause of your decoder shocking you or getting burnt is as a result of when the negative terminal and the positive terminal of RG-6 coaxial cable joins together. That is when the problem results. But I want to show you how you can connect them properly so that it will just be okay. So we'll be using our knife and our plier with the sellotape. Okay, let us go. Let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you cut the outer surface of the RG-6 coaxial cable. Once you do that, you remove the negative terminals one side. These are the negative terminals. You remove them one side. This silver colored, just remove it one side. Then this one, you cut it here. So as you can see, this is how this one looks like. So let's do the same thing to this other end. I still cut here. As you can see, now we can now join these positive ends together. We can join them using our plier. So after that, so with this we can now use sellotape to first of all join this one together. When you join the middle side together, before you now bring this particular one, you bring it and cover it up. Also bring this one and cover it up as well. So we can now seal two of them together. After that, you can now bring the two negative terminals and join them. You now bring the two negative terminals. As you can see, I'm now joining the two negative terminals. So after here, you now seal everything up. You seal everything up with your sellotape. So this is number one way of, the second way of joining your RG-6 coaxial cable in a straight file without any connector. So we don't use any connector here. We do not use any connector here to join this particular RG-6 coaxial cable together. So when signal comes, it will just pass on a single file without any interruption.